Welcome everyone to this short but very important session on troubleshooting why you cannot create a class in Google Classroom. Before we start creating and setting up our online classrooms, it is essential to understand one of the most common issues teachers encounter. Opening Google Classroom and finding that only the Join Class button appears while the Create Class option is missing. In this session, we will learn the reasons why this happens and how to fix it, whether you are using your University Google Workspace account or your personal Gmail account. We will also discuss how account permission work in the university system, the proper process for requesting a teacher account upgrade through your department or dean's office, and a few quick solutions for personal accounts. By the end of this session, you will not only know how to resolve this issue but also be able to assist your colleagues who might encounter the same problem when setting up their Google Classrooms. Alright, let's open Google Classroom by going to classroom.google.com. Now when I click the plus icon at the upper right corner of the page, you will notice that I only have the options to join class. Normally, there should be two options, join class and create class. This means that my account currently does not have permission to create a class. If you're using your personal Gmail account, it may be because you haven't accepted Google's Classroom terms or selected I'm a student by mistake. So in the next part of this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to fix this issue and enable the create class option on your Google Classroom. Now let's proceed on how to troubleshoot these issues. Part 1, using your University Google Workspace account. If you are using your University Workspace account and you notice that you cannot create a class in Google Classroom, this usually means that your account is not yet assigned as a teacher in the system. In our university setup, Google's Classroom permissions are managed centrally under the University Google Workspace, which is administered by the University MIS Director. By default, all newly created accounts are automatically tagged as students. This means you will only have access to join existing classes, but you won't be able to create a new class on your own. Only those accounts officially added to the teachers group are given the privilege to create classes. If you cannot create a class in Google Classroom, the first option is to personally request an account upgrade. You can do this by sending an email directly to the University MIS Director at admin@university.edu.ph. In your message, clearly include your full name, department, and university email address so your request can be verified and processed. Please note that this method might take some time and may not always be consistent across departments. So, if there's no response within a few days, it's best to send a polite follow-up email. The second and most recommended option is submit your request through your department or campus MIS coordinator. Here's how it works. Coordinate with your department chair or dean's office who will gather a list of faculty members whose accounts still need to be upgraded. Once consolidated, this will be forwarded collectively to the University MIS Director for processing. This method ensures a faster, more organized, and consistent update for all faculty members within your department or campus. So, part 2, using a personal Gmail account. So, if you are using your personal Gmail account and still cannot create a class, the problem could be caused by a few different factors. Number 1, you haven't accepted Google's Classroom's terms of service. When you first access Google Classroom, it may ask whether you are a teacher or a student. If you selected I'm a student, you will be unable to create a class. To fix this, log out, sign back in, and choose I'm a teacher when prompted. Number 2, you're signed in to the multiple Google accounts. Having both your university and personal Gmail accounts open in one browser may cause conflicts. Log out of all accounts, then sign in using only one, the account you will use for Classroom, and refresh the page. Number 3, your account is managed by family link or under age restrictions. If your Gmail account is managed by family link or registered as under 18, Google limits its privileges. You will need to use another Gmail account that is not restricted. And browse or cache issues. Sometimes it's just a cache problem. Try opening Google Classroom in incognito mode, clearing your browser cache, or using another browser like Chrome or Edge. So let's take a moment to summarize the key points from this session. For university accounts, the best way to fix this issue is to coordinate through your department or dean's office so they can submit a collective request to the university MIS director for your teacher account upgrade. For personal accounts, make sure you've selected I'm a teacher, signed into the correct Google account, and cleared your browser cache if necessary. Always remember to use your university Google Workspace account for official online classes. This ensures proper data management, better coordination with students, and alignment with university systems and policies. Once your account has been successfully updated, the Create Class option will appear beside Join Class, and you will be ready to set up your own Google Classroom. Understanding this process not only helps you troubleshoot your own account, but also empowers you to guide your fellow faculty members who might experience the same issue. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to continue with the next session in our University Faculty e-learning series to further enhance your skills in integrating technology into your teaching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video to support the channel and help other educators learn how to use Google Classroom effectively for online classes. Maraming salamat po.